Hey guys, welcome back. I finally had some time to go to the local junkyard. I don't have anything that I'm looking for in particular, and I already know there isn't a 9.5 here, but they have two other Saabs, and I just wanted to check out the yard. So let's head inside. Ooh, it's a BMW 7. Ooh. Oh look, it's a Kia Borrego. You don't see these every day. These were one of the first, I think if not the first, Kia SUV that was a body on frame. Or at least for America. Here is our first gem. Wow. It had an ICM 2, I guess, I think this is called. Wow, it's mostly gone. Here's a nice gauge cluster. Oh well, this car's mostly gone. Oh, the ignition's still there. Here's a Swedish brethren. I always like these. My dad had an S60, similar year. These were 5 cylinders. Yeah, they felt really good, very smooth. Ooh, I think this is a 240. That's a shame it's here. Smells like a Volvo in here. Mostly, the seats are in mostly good shape. Are these? I think this is the third row. Yeah, this is the third row. Optional third row, I think. That's a shame this is here at all. Wow. Here's you don't see something every day. Wow. I always love these cars. They're all-wheel drive, 300 horsepower I think, all manual. Interior is nice too. Alright, so I finally found the 900. This is kind of what I came for. Top end is gone. Man, this coolant tank is brand new. I wonder if that fits my car. Nope. Probably not. It has all 4 wheels and they look really good. No center caps though. Ooh, this was an SE. Oh man, I can definitely take this. I want to take. Yeah, this was a fully loaded model. Grill. Ouch. It's hot. Ooh. I think I'll take this little thing. Oh, the center caps are all here. What else can I take? Take this. And this wheel is in good shape too. I mean, these seats are, they look so good. Oh, there's the top end and the valve cover. And an original cassette. I wonder if this works. Oh, it's a CD changer. That's gotta be rare. Yeah, it's a shame. Lights are good. Alright, so I'm back from the junkyard and $11 lighter in my pocket. I have these three things. I have the shift boot and the plastic piece, a cigarette jack lighter, mine is broken, and a turbo badge, which I thought would be fun to add to my grow. So first I'm going to clean up the boot and then get on with installing these. I'm probably going to leave this one for the front aero bumper video, so you'll see this eventually. And the reason why I'm replacing it is because of this part right here. It's peeling, so that was always an eyesore. And this one looks to be slightly better. It's not like, it's not brand new obviously, but I think it's a little better. And I'm just gonna leave it like this because I have something that you guys might like, and it's in the works, so stay tuned for that. When I was taking this apart for various different projects, it broke, and every time I plug it in and start the car, there's like a little spark, and then the fuse goes out. So I think there's a short in here, and this part is broken anyway, so it's always dangling. So I'm gonna replace that with this one. I learned that in order to take this out, you have to separate the metal piece from the plastic piece. Otherwise it's never gonna come out, so something to keep in mind. And I'm not gonna show removing all of this because I've done that already, and for the record, I've already disconnected it when I found out there was a short. So the way you do this is, like I mentioned, you have to separate the metal piece from the plastic. There are little tabs inside here that you need to push to separate it, and then if you look inside, there's like this little thing that gets caught, so you have to angle it like this so that it doesn't get caught, and push it in like that. Okay, and then you push in the metal part like so. Alright. Oh, by the way, I disconnected my battery You always want to do that so you don't create a short like I feel like how I did. The moment of truth. Yay! I actually don't have anything to plug into my cigarette jack to test if this actually works, but I have Saab Blue Bluetooth connection and it's powered through this cigarette jack. So it used to not work because my jack was broken. Now if I play Bluetooth on my phone, it should work. So let's see. So to turn it on, I turn on my radio and press CD twice. And now I'm gonna connect. It says Saab Blue is connected. Hey guys, welcome back. I found these LED footlights at the store the other day. I'm not full of myself, I just don't want to get anything copyrighted, so I'm just playing my own stuff. So now we know it works. Very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed some of the cars at the junkyard. I sure did. I want to go more often, but I don't always have the time. One of my favorite apps is Row 52. It's a database of cars at junkyards all across the country. So I looked up Saabs in a 50-mile radius from my zip code, and 2 Saabs showed up at this yard. So it's a really convenient app, and you should all use it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.